Good evening, ma'am. Let us start now.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Good evening to all the participants. I hope you are all excited to learn about Adobe Express today. So before I start, let me share my screen.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I hope my screen is visible to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm Ramya Sriram here. So I'll be your presenter today, and I'm a Adobe Creative Educator Level 1 and Level 2. At the end of this session, I'll be sharing links where you can take a self-paced where you can do a self-paced course and get these badges and get yourself upgraded. And I also hope all of you are having your systems with you, laptops with you. Can I have yes in the chat box? I hope you all have joined with your systems. So that, okay, Drupali ma'am, thank you so much. You have joined with like you have access to your system. Okay, Ashmi ma'am. Okay, doesn't have. So I could see Shilpi ma'am, Rupinder ma'am. Okay, Sunita ma'am. Okay, so I could see you all have joined with your using access to your system. Okay, few of you don't have, it's okay. You can just see how it can be done, because in between I am planning to give you some tasks so that you will get that hands-on experience during the session itself. Very, very small activity just to make you be confident and be aware of the interface, so that if you are struck, if you are having interface, you can get it clarified. And if you don't have the system, it's okay, no problem. You can enjoy what others are doing. Okay, because whatever they are doing, I'll be asking them to share it. So we will see all of these things in some time. Okay, now I hope you all know this. The last session itself, I told. Okay, you will know, you will come to at the end of the session, you will learn to use the features of Adobe Express interface, and how to create professionally designed templates, and how to use generative AI tools. And you will also discover ways to leverage Adobe Express to provide creative learning experience for your students. Okay, so this is what we will be covering today. And what does Adobe Express offer for educators and students? It's an all-in-one editor. Like we can, whatever we dream, we will be able to make it even in the free version. And we can work together in real-time. Collaboration is possible. Commenting is possible. We will be doing all of these things. As I told you, I'll be giving small activities. So we will be doing these kind of activities, and animate from audio. That is also possible. You can bring characters to life by giving your own voice. And professionally designed templates, there are thousands of templates available for educators to use. And of course, you can join Adobe Creative Educator community, where I told, like, you can take self-paced course and earn digital badges and get yourself upgraded. So these are all the possible things that you will be able to do when you become a user of Adobe Express. Now, what are the latest features? Of course, everywhere AI is powered these days. So it has the generative AI tools, which we will be seeing how to use, and drag and drop video creation. So whenever you want to create a video, you just need to drag and drop, and you can create beautiful videos. And import and enhance PDF. So you can import PDF flyers and brochures into Adobe Express, and you can easily make creative edits like adding eye-catching text and images. So editing PDFs is also possible. Improved editing experience. So it has a very simple user-friendly interface. And so we don't need to focus on how to use this tool. Rather, we can focus on our creative like ideas. So that is one big advantage when we use Adobe Express. And Adobe Express free version, what all it offers. Okay, so you can create so many things like social media, content, flyers, logos, and all. Thousands of unique templates. I'm just going all these things a little faster because we covered all these things in our introduction session itself. Okay, so anyway, as I do the demonstration of the tool, you will be again seeing how we can do that. So don't worry, like if I'm going fast, just see what are all the things that are possible that we can do with Adobe Express. And thousands of templates are available, fonts also available, assets. There are so many design assets that we can use for our creative purpose. And explore Adobe Firefly powered features. Like these are all AI powered feature, generative fill, text to image and text to template. And in the free version, you can you can use these AI powered features only 25 times. So once you have used 25 times in a month, then again you need to wait for the next month, or if you have another account, then you can use from that account. So per month, you have 25 generative credits, which will allow you to use AI powered features. And more than enough Adobe fonts are available. Okay, royalty free Adobe stock free collection photos are available. Basic editing and photo effects, including background removal, animate. So all of these things are possible, and we can use it both as web and also from our mobile. So you can install the app and you can also use it from your mobile. So all these things are possible. So those who have system, I'll share this link. Okay. So quickly follow whatever I'm saying and just log in. So the login process is very simple. Using your Gmail ID, you can, yes. So I have posted the link. Okay. So use that link and I'll tell you how you can, okay. Once you click on that link, this is what you will see. Get Adobe Express free. So just click on that Adobe Express free and then sign up. You need to, if for the first time user, you need to sign up, and it will ask which account you want to use for your sign up, whether it's Google account or Apple email. So whatever you have. So if you have Gmail, just go with Gmail as of now. So click continue with Google and enter your Gmail ID, enter your password, Gmail password. Okay, and then just fill in few details like your first name, last name, your birth month and year. So you just need to enter these things and click continue. And you should be able to see the screen like this. Okay, welcome to new Adobe Express. You click let's go and you should be able to see a screen like the one that you see on my window. Okay, so I have shared the link. Click on that link and click sign up. And I am sure like you all must be knowing how to do sign up. Once you have signed up and once you have come to this page, I would request everyone to put a thumbs up or yes, logged in, signed up, some message in the chat window so that I will know that, okay, you all have logged in, so that the task that I will be giving later, you can do it because everything will be ready. Okay, Swati ma'am has logged in successfully. You should be able to see the screen like the one in my window. It means you have logged in. Once you are in this page, don't do anything. You have to come back to my session. I will explain the interface. Then I will give one activity which you can do. Okay, Drupali ma'am has logged in. If anybody having any doubts, you can post it in the chat window. If anybody having any doubts, you can post it in the chat window. There shouldn't be any problem in signing up. Anyone else? Only from Swati ma'am and Trupali ma'am I got it. Those who are having mobile, you can install the app. Should we have Adobe 8 in order to do the exercise? I hope which, ma'am, are you trying to install or are you using the web version, Lavanya ma'am? Okay, trying to install. Okay, ma'am, whichever is possible, you can install. No issues. You can install whatever is possible in your, whichever your mobile supports, you install. We will see no issues. Those who are doing web version, I hope you all must have completed. Can you all please quickly give me a thumbs up? Or yes, ma'am, installed some message, because many are using system. So many have access to system during the session. Okay, so I got it from Drupali ma'am. From others I need. Okay, once you have gone to this page, you can stop it and come back to the session. I will explain the interface, then I will give a task. So it will be like you are doing an activity and attending my session, doing my activity, attending my session. Okay, yeah, I got it from Anurag sir. Okay, teachers, but I want you to be little quick so that we will be able to do both attending the session and doing the hands-on experience both parallelly. Ambika ma'am, very good. Ambika ma'am has logged in. There shouldn't be any issue. Click on sign up and just enter your Gmail ID, password, or Microsoft or whatever email ID. You just enter your password and just log in. That's it. What about others? Okay, Rupinder sir. Okay, so I've got from few. Okay, so others who are in the process, kindly stop it and attend the session so that you will not miss out on anything. So those who have okay, so those who have logged in, I'm sure this is how your screen also will look like. Okay, so on the, okay, first understanding the interface of any tool is very important. Only then you will be able to navigate. See, whenever we go to a new location, a new place, we will always try to understand the road and the streets and everything so that the navigation will be easy. Similarly, whenever you start to use any platform, any tool, you should know the interface thoroughly. Then only you will know where exactly you have to go if you are stuck, or if you feel like your work is lost. Okay, or if you want to try something new, so you will know exactly where you have to go. So teachers, those who are in the process of signing up, please stop it and come back to the session. You can again, anyway, I will give some time, so for the next activity, that time also you can do it. Okay, now you can see on the top left corner, you can see the Adobe Express icon. So whenever you want to come to this page, you have to click on this Adobe Express icon. Okay, and then here, when if you want to search something, then you can see there are so many categories here. If you want to search for files, templates, photos, libraries, backgrounds, so there are categories available. So you can choose a category and search for something in that category. So you can do that. Or if you are not sure of the category, keep it all and then type whatever you want, whenever you want to search for something. So this is to join Adobe community, which I will be explaining later. And this is for premium feature. We are not going to buy a premium feature. We are going to use free version only. And this is for feedback. Okay, if you want to send some feedback to Adobe Express, some suggestions and all, you can do that. And what are the web apps and services that are available in Adobe? You will come to know if you click on this. The Adobe has all of these things, but Adobe Express is a standalone tool. Okay, so it is not, all these things are not included. It is a standalone tool. And this is the notification here. And this is your login account detail. Okay, as you can see here, I have 25 generative credits left for this particular month. For April month, I have still 25 generative credits available in this account. So as I start using AI powered feature in this account, then automatically, like every time whenever I use, the credits will be decreasing. Okay, so once it becomes zero, you will not be able to use AI powered feature for this month. Again, for the next month, you can use it. Okay, again 25 credits will be given to you. And you can see this is sign out. So whenever your work is done, so you can sign out. So this is about the top layer plus icon. So this is what we will be doing in some time. So whenever you want to create something new in Adobe Express, you will be clicking this plus icon, and this is the home button. So currently we are in the home tab. Okay, so that's why we are seeing all of these things. Your stuff. So if you click on your stuff, you can see all the stuff that you have created. So all the work that you had done in this account, so you will be able to see everything. Okay, and you can also create folder. If you want to keep your very organized, you can create a folder. So for maybe for a classroom resources or for a school purpose or for any, then you can create a folder for that event, and whatever designs you are creating, you can save it in that folder. So these are all the folder, and you can see currently I am in yours, means whatever I have created is listed. If somebody has shared with me, as I told, collaborative work is possible. So I can click shared with you, and if somebody has shared any of their work with me, where me and the other person can work collaboratively, then I will be able to see here. But till now, nobody has shared anything with me. So yours will show all the designs that I have created in this account. So this is about your stuff. So whenever you want to search for your content, your designs, you need to come to your stuff folder on the left pane. Okay, the next one is brands. I'm not going to cover this because it is available for premium version and it is locked for us. And next one is explore. So as you can see here, there are templates, photos, videos, all the categories are available. If you want to filter your search, then you can usually use this. For example, I'm looking for some template, but I don't want this much of text or anything. I want it in little abstract style. So I can filter using abstract. So I will get abstract design templates. Or if I want to set the mood of the design, then I can go from here. Or if I want some animated templates, so I can just select animated templates, and you can see the animated templates are listed here. So you can see these are all videos. Okay. So the background will be like animated one. You can put your content, and sometimes you might want templates with multiple pages. Okay, so you can go for select this multiple pages, and then you can see here, if I click on this, so you can see first page, second page, third page. So automatically the designs will be available. You can also customize. Okay, one more maybe I will show. For example, this one, you can see there are many pages available. This is the first page, second, third, fourth. So the data, the template design, yeah, the designs are available for you. You can also customize if you want. Okay, so this is about searching and filtering. You can search for any of these categories, as I told, templates, photos, videos, designs, and all. And while searching for the categories, you can also filter what you want. Okay, as I told, animated templates, video templates. So you can filter by style, mood, and all. Okay, the next is schedule. As you can see here, you can link your Adobe Express account, okay, to your any of your social media account. In that case, what happens, you can schedule whatever designs you are creating, you can schedule it on particular day and time. And even if you are not there, or even if you are traveling, you can just schedule and you can travel. You don't need to worry. Automatically on that particular scheduled date and time, it will be posted. So basically, you need to just click on connect and connect your Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, any of your social media account. You can connect it, and the designs that you are creating, okay, you have an option for scheduling. So once you schedule, automatically it will be posted to whichever account, whichever social media account you want, it will be posted. So that will make your work very easy. If you have an event coming up and you are thinking that Monday morning it should be posted, then you can just connect it and schedule your design, so that Monday morning you can just, even if you are on the way from home to work, the work will be done automatically, because if you have done the scheduling. Okay, and the last one is learn, which we will be seeing how you can become Adobe certified creative educator and all. Okay, now we will go back to home. Okay, so I have explained the left pane, I have explained you the top pane. Now we will see what is available on the center pane, okay, the center screen. Okay, so you can see here for you. So this is all suggested to me. So there are so many things, presentations, logos, Instagram, flyer. So all of those things are available. And yeah, okay. This is like a generative AI. These are all AI powered features. So we will be seeing this now in a while. And what are some of the quick actions? As I told you, if you want to remove background or resize some image, add caption to a video, animate from audio. If you want to generate QR code, then you can have a QR code. You can generate QR code for any of your videos or any of your any links that you have. You can generate QR code. So if you want to see more, you can see there is a small arrow that is coming up here. So if you click on that, you will be able to see more options. So all convert to MP4, merge videos, and convert to PDF. Okay, so these things are available. Then you can go to social media. So in social media, if you want to create a design for social media, then it's going to make very easy for you. So you can go to Instagram, and whatever is the templates or the designs required for Instagram post, everything will be available here. As you can see here, social media quick action, it's the same thing. Okay, so you can just upload an image. We will be seeing all of these things when I start with the demo of creating a design in Adobe Express. So you can remove background and all. So as you can see here, next is video. So what are all the video editing options that are available? You can see here. And then photo, again, what all you can do. So sometime back I told remove background, resize image, and document. So you can see here, like this is something that I want to show you in document. If you go to education section here, you can see you can prepare resume. You have some worksheets available. You can take the template and design, or you can also use the worksheets that are already existing for your subject. And then the class schedule, lesson plan templates are available, report card if you want to design report card, drawing worksheet, infographic. Certain concepts students will not be able to understand. So if you present them with infographic, then the students will be able to remember very well. And the best advantage of creating something using technology is, though you feel like, okay, I have to put a lot of efforts, if you create once, you can use it for every academic year. You don't need to create again and again. Whereas if you create a model, okay, or using boxes, chart, okay, forget about model. You just prepare a chart. How long it will stay? Within a year, it will go away. Again, the next year, you need to make it again. But if you have it as a if you use technology and create your learning materials or any of your teaching resources, then it will stay with you forever. And whenever you want, it is very easy to edit as well. Okay. And you can make rubric, graphic organizer, flashcard, poster, newsletter. So there are so many things available which you will be able to use. And next is marketing. So as I told, if you have some uh, what is it, event coming up, so you can easily create banners and covers. Okay, so all these things are available. Invitation, okay, and if you want to print some card, business cards, if you want to create, so the templates are also available, and you can just edit it with on like how to do from the scratch and all. The templates are available which we can use and finish our work quickly. So that basically it really helps in time management. We can create very attractive designs in very minimal time with very less efforts. So this is the advantage. And the next one is generative AI. As I told, here if you see the text to image, okay, so you can just write a text and then it will generate the image for you. And then generative fill, suppose I have a cat like this, okay, in this particular place I want something else, okay, then I can just select the place and I will be able to change the color or add something new to it. So I will be able to do that. And the next one is text to template. So if you want a template, you can design the template with this AI powered feature. you need to write a detailed description of how you want your template to be. And as you can see here, the templates are quickly generated by AI. And the last one is text effects. Instead of writing something plain, if you want to have some floral text, you will be able to do that. So we will do one, I'll just do the first one. So text to image, I will write. Suppose I am designing something for which I want to have something really innovative, okay, something really very imaginative. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to tell this AI, okay, generate an image of a robot riding a bicycle in moon wearing goggles. Okay, so the more descriptive you are, the more your image will be very specific and accurate. Okay, if you want to see how this particular image is created, so you can see, okay, how what they have written to get this image. So you can see wearing sunglasses. So maybe it will not understand this. So I can change it to sunglasses. See how it helps me to write the prompt. Okay, so you can just see how it is, how a particular image is created. So let me click generate, and you can see in some time the image will get generated. So it will give me many options as well, and I will be able to choose. But as I told you, when you use these AI generative features, the credits will become less. Like every time I use, I will lose a credit. Okay, so as you all know that we have only 25 credits available. Okay, so let's give it some time for it to generate. So it's still generating. You have to give some time to it. Okay, as you can see, the moment I create this, I got 2 credits gone from my account. Okay, so as you can see here, yeah. So as you can see here, this is what it has generated, but it is also giving me some options. So I can click on load more and see what else it has given for me. So these things that it has created, I will be able to use it in my work. Okay. So I will be able to directly use it in my designs that I am creating in Adobe, or I can also download it and use it for other purposes. So let me just click on this. Okay, so how to download? I will show you. So you can just click on this download button, and you can see there are 3 options available: PNG, JPG, and PDF. Okay, so there are 3 options available. You can also download it as PDF. Okay, it is of course best for documents. Okay, so you can see now I want this image, so I'll just click download. Okay, you can see it is downloaded and it is saved in my system. I would now request everyone to go to your account and generate one image. I'll close this. I hope you all remember where you need to go. Okay, so now I am here. Suppose I want to go to my home page. As I told you, click on this A. Okay, once you click on this A, then it will take you to the home page. And from there, you have to click generative AI. So there are 4 options available. Okay, the first one I showed you. Okay, I'll click on this. The first one, text to image, I showed you. You can try generative fill or text to template or text effect. So you can try one option and generate something and download it. And I will be sharing a link now. I want all of you to upload whatever you have generated using this Adobe Express AI generative features. Just upload in this file. I'll share the link now. Let's see what you are able to make. I'll just share a link now. 1 second. I have the link ready already. I hope you know where you have to go. I will post the link now. Go to generative AI and you just need to try one option. Any one option. Do not try so many things because your credits, you will be losing it. So don't try so many things. I will quickly share the link. Try one AI generative feature. I'm posting the link. Can we crop from any animated templates too? Wait 1 second. Let me. Voice is breaking. I hope my voice is clear to others. Yeah, can we crop from any animated templates? I'm not sure what exactly you want to crop. Okay, as we discuss, maybe you will come to know. Yeah, picture you can crop definitely. Yes, you can crop any image, the background. Okay, as I showed the demo, you will be able to understand. Okay, if anybody is trying this AI generative feature, I have shared the Padlet link. Whatever you have created, okay, what you can upload your image. Let me upload mine, then maybe you will be able to understand what you need to do. So you just need to click on this plus. Then I will upload the one that I have in generated. And then click publish. Okay, I could see some of you are trying to upload. Let us see what you have generated. Those who are not able to do, you can come to this Padlet, click on the Padlet link and you can just see what others have generated. And do not play so much with those AI generative features. I know it will be curious. It will be a lot of fun to do that, but you will be losing your credits. Okay, I could see many of you typing. So just upload your images, whatever you have generated. But be very mindful and thoughtful while you give the prompt. When you write the description, if you be very sure exactly what you want. See this. See now you can see I wanted a robot riding a bicycle in a moon wearing sunglasses. So everything is there in my image. So I hope you're all trying. I'll give you another 2 minutes, teachers. Quickly try and get the feel of it. Okay, cell having mitochondria prominent. Oh, okay, good. Sir has given the screenshot. Okay, wow, very nice. So it's like combining both. Very good. Okay, must be a science teacher. Okay, few more. So those who are not able to do the activity, okay, if you don't have access to the system, you can just come to, I tried, but I cannot upload because listening to the, okay, fine. Yeah, got excellent results, ma'am. Okay, Miranda, ma'am, is there any option to create a collage of images that I, okay, all of these things I will be showing now, ma'am. Shilpi, ma'am. This is just the AI feature that I want you all to try. There are other features as well, like text to image I tried. Okay, one more teacher also has tried text to image. You can try other things as well. Okay, so let me stop here and get back to the session demonstration. So teachers, I would request you to stop doing your activity and come back to the session. So now I will show the main demonstration. If you want to create a design, what all is possible, what all you can do, that is what I will be demonstrating now. So requesting teachers, yeah, I could see done. So it's okay if you have done it, well and good. Even if you are not uploading, it's okay. No problem. Okay. So please come back to the session. I'm starting the demonstration. Okay. So let's start with creating a design. Okay. From the scratch we will do, so that we will also get an idea of course, templates are there which you can use anytime. That is not an issue. But if you want to do something from the scratch, I will show you. As I told you that whenever you want to start to design, click on this plus on the left pane. So it is available on the top left. Okay, so once I click on this plus, as you can see here, it is suggesting some standard sizes for me. So that's going to make my work easy. But if you want some custom size, you can also make your own custom size. But there are standard sizes that it is suggesting me. So let me go select this landscape. If you want a custom size, it is available here. So you can go to custom size, select the height and width, and you can do. Now I will click on this 16:9. So I want to create a flyer for my session. So this is the task that I want to do using this Adobe Express possible. So once you have selected the size, in free version, you cannot resize. So you need to go back and create a new one, because it is available only for the premium version. Whenever you see this crown, okay, you must be wondering how I am identifying whether it's for premium version or free version. You can see the crown icon. So wherever you see the crown icon, as you see here also you see the crown icon, then it means this particular video is not available for us in free version. Okay, the next is theme. Okay, so once you click on that, so you can choose any of the color themes that you want. Okay, so like this, you can go for a color theme. This is for background color. If you want to choose any background color for your for your design or brochure, then you can go for the background color. Okay, and yeah, this is 24% size. So if you want to view it bigger, so you can go for 75%. Zoom to fit all, you can choose. So zoom in and zoom out, you will be able to do. And this is for pages. Okay, so view all pages. So currently I have one page. If you want to have more pages, then click on this plus. You can add more pages. Okay, and this you can drag and drop the pages. So you can, as you can see, I can drag the pages and drop it, and you can make the rearranging of the pages as well, like how we do it in slides. Same way we will be able to do. Okay, now if I don't want this page, click on the three dots and click delete. Click on the three dots. If you want to duplicate the page, suppose all the designs are done and you want to duplicate, you will be able to duplicate the page as well. Okay, now I want to go back to this page. So let me double click. So I'm currently in this page. Okay, and yeah, so the themes is done. So I have explained you all on the top pane. So this one I have explained, resize is not available. You can go for a theme. You can choose the background color. Align and all will come only when we add text. This translate I will tell at the end, and you can add pages by clicking on this, and you have the view options. Now what do we have on the left side? You can see the templates are available. So if you don't want to begin from the scratch, then you can click on this template and you can search for whatever thing you want. You will be able to search for it. Okay, see, you can search for it. These are all popular templates. Best of Adobe Express, layout, seasonal templates are available, Instagram post, okay, and Instagram story. So or you can also search for a template. When you search for a template, the design and the sample content both will be available for you. You just need to edit the content, and your brochure or flyer will be ready. But now I don't want to go show the demonstration with the template, because using a template is very easy. We will do from the scratch. So now I have set the background color like this. Now I want to add some like photos. Okay, so my I have to start working on my page. So I will go to the media. So you can see here the left pane I have media. When I select media, I have photos, videos and audio. So all the three things are available. Now I want a photo. So when I say photo, as I told you, I'm going to make a brochure for my session. So I want a teacher photograph. So I'll just search for teacher and I'll just scroll down. So there are many options available for me. Now I feel this is good. So let me click on this. As you can see here, the image is displayed here. So I will select this and put it. Okay. Now I don't want this background. Okay. Background of this image. Okay. Because it doesn't suit with my page background. So what you have to do, you just click on the image. Okay. Every time you add some image or video, audio, text. Okay. Whenever you want to edit that particular media, you just need to select. Okay, now you can see it is not selected. How will you select? Just click on that. It means that it is selected, and you can see all these options are available. Erase, we cannot erase because you can see the crown feature here. So it is available only for premium version. Now remove background is available. So I don't want this background. So I'll just click remove background. See how quickly and easily my background is removed and I got the image like this. So I don't need to learn any extra coding or any extra features. I don't need any expertise. I just need to select the image, and what all you can do with the image, automatically it will come. The remove background will come. Generative fill. So let me try generative fill as well. So I will click on this generative fill. Has had a background. Okay, fine. Okay. So when you use generative fill, it says that the background will again come. No problem. We can again remove it. That's not a problem. Now, when I say generative fill, okay, I will get a brush. So what I have to do with that brush, I have to select the area where I need to fill with something new. Okay. So I'm just selecting this. Okay. I'm not doing it so perfectly because I don't want to waste my time. So here in the selected area, what should come? Make a floral uh, uh, color shirt. Okay. So this is what I'm typing. Let's see whether it is coming out properly. So I'll click generate. So in the selected area, it should change the color. Okay, you can see that it is working on that particular area, the area where I selected. So this is again another AI feature, AI powered feature. Okay, let's see whether it is, because I haven't given it very clearly. So we will just see whether it is able to understand and do something in that area. Maybe some flowers at least it should be able to put. Okay, yeah, so it got, see the area that I selected. Okay, so it completely changed the dress design itself. So I can go for this. Okay, and again, I will close this one. Done. Okay, now again the background came. So what I will do, I will click on the image. I will click remove background. Now we will ask it to remove the background. Okay, see now the background got removed for my image. Okay, so this is about image. There are options to include videos. There are options to add audio as well. So when I say media, it comes with photos, videos and audio. Now I inserted only the photo. And what are all possible? Like not necessary that every time you have to use videos and audios or photos from Adobe Express. You can also upload from your device. So if you have already some image, okay, if you want to put image of yourself, then you can upload from your device and you can also insert your image. For the images that you are inserting, you will be able to do all of these things. You can also delete the background of your image. Okay, so you will be able to do. This is about media. Let us go to the text. So when you go to the text, okay, so these are all the things that are available. Now I will add my own text. So I will click on this add your text. Okay, you can see the text box got added and I will write the content now. So I will write join the express. Okay, so this is the content that I want to type. Okay, so once you type here, you can see automatically some recommendations are already given for my text type. I can either go for this, select one of these, see like this, just click, it will be selected. Or if I want, I can also select some fonts that is of my choice. Okay, so I can choose a font which I like. So yeah, see this is the font I like and the color. Okay, so I can go for the regular text. Okay, if I want to reduce the text size, I can do this. So you can also enter the number and do this. Okay, and if you want to make it bold, you can make it bold. Okay, text layout, if you can see here, you can, the text is bigger here, so it is not coming properly. If you fill, I want to fill my this thing with this color. So you just need to click on this pen icon and choose a color. Okay, the same color will appear here. And outline. So if you want to have some outline for your you can see here the outline. So maybe you will not see. Now if I make the outline thickness big, you are able to see. Okay, so you can choose the outline for your text. Opacity, you can control the opacity, how bright you want in your page, that you can do. Flip horizontal, flip words are available. Okay, so you can do flip horizontal, flip, okay, flip vertical also is available. Okay, and then text effects. So as I told, okay, if you want this, so you can make use of any of these things to have that golden dip effect. So when you are actually printing the design, then it will really come out very well. Okay, but now I don't want to go for text effects. Okay, now what are the things are possible? Text shadow is possible. So if you want to have some shadow like this, you can go for that. And I don't want any shadow. And yeah, you can see some shapes are available, so you can also make use of those shapes. You can see here yeah, like this, or yeah, so you can make use of the shape so that the text appears inside the shape. And yeah, there are more shapes available, you can go for any of these things. Okay, now this is about text. Next, go to elements. Okay, now you don't want to do everything from the scratch. Then you can see there are already some templates available for text as well. So you can just click on that. I'll show one. So for example, you want this. So you can see, you can just click on that and you will be able to edit. Okay, instead of mark, you can type some other text, whatever you want, and you will be able to use it. Okay, so there are two options to do it. Either you can do from the scratch like how I did, or there are some samples available that also you will be able to use for text. Suppose I don't want this, okay, this particular element. What I can do, click on this and press delete button. It will get deleted. Okay, now let us go to elements. Now I want to insert some elements here. So what I can do, what are the design assets available? You can see there are so many available. Okay, you can just select whatever you want. Okay, backgrounds are available. It's taking time to load. Okay, you can see the shapes are available. Icons are available. Okay, if you want to have some laptop icon or anything, you just need to type the name and that's it. It will filter and give you. So suppose I want this icon, just click on that, it will appear here. And not only that, once it comes here, you will be able to do whatever you want. Okay, I'll show you. Suppose you don't like this color, okay? You just need to select the element and choose a color of your choice. Automatically, it will be selected. And opacity, okay, how blending you want. If you want to go for any animation effects, you can go for animation effects as well. Okay, so just click on this in and then choose any of the animations, okay, how you want it to enter. Okay, then it will appear. Okay, now if once you have inserted the animation, you feel you don't want animation, you because you are going to get printed. In that case, you can just click remove all animations. Then I have shown you the elements. Okay, there are so many elements available which you can search. Okay, and one more thing. Okay, I'll go to media here. Okay, so yeah, I will do one more thing. I'll go to text. Okay, we need to add some more things here. So let me add that. In elements, I will see shapes. Okay, yeah. Okay, so maybe I'll use this one only. So I'll just click on that. You can see I got this. So I will make, you can also reduce the size. Just click here and now I will paste, I'll select this and here I will write date. Okay, yeah, 20 April 23, 2024. Okay, so this is the date. Now again, I can select this and I can, okay, automatically it is giving me some suggestions. I can quickly make use of that. Okay, if I don't have time, I can just make use of that, or I can do the editing myself. Okay, so this is all trial and error. You need to try it. Okay, the size and all. So this is the date that I want to use and I want to place it here. So I have done this. One more thing we will do. So I'll go to media and here I will go to photos. And I don't like the background now. I feel that it is very plain. I want to have some nice background. So I want to go for some abstract designs. So I can see abstract and textures here. I will click view all to see more options in this abstract category. Okay, so if I scroll down, okay, maybe I feel this is good. So I can click on this. Yeah, I'll click on this. You can see it got selected. Now I want this as a background. Okay, but whereas it is on the top. Okay, before that I will show the right side. As you can see on the right side, every time I add a text or image or anything, any element I add, it will be added as layer. As you can see, this is my bottommost layer, and after that I have this text layer and I have this date and time which I inserted, and now I have inserted this. Now this is the top layer. That is why it is hiding everything. Suppose if I drag it and put it at the end, okay, at the bottom, now you can see that it has gone back and all the above elements are uh, uh, on top of it. So the layer concept is very good. We will see this only in the advanced editing tools like Photoshop and all. But here we get this layering option in the platform itself. I'll show you once again. So whenever you add something, it will be added on the top. Okay, this is how it was. You shouldn't be worried why it is hiding everything. You have to check on the right side, the layer. This is the layering option. If you are not able to see, you need to click on this icon, layers icon. So once you click on this layer icon, this will open all the layers in your design. And this is at the top. Okay, what you have to do, drag it and put it at the bottom. Now I want this to be as a background. This particular image, I want it to be a background. So just click on this. What, there is one option here, set as page background. The moment I click this option, set as page background, okay, this will be set as a page background. It will automatically go to the bottom, wherever it was in the layer, it will automatically move to the bottom, and it will not be movable. Means it will be fixed, because we don't want the background to move, right? So I will click on the set as page background. You can see that it is at it is the bottommost layer, and it has filled my entire page, and I will not be able to move it now. It is not an image anymore, it is a background, so I will not be able to move it. Now if I make it big, okay, if I make this big, or if I make, okay, yeah, like this, if I'm doing, okay, now what I can do, suppose I want this woman to appear at the top. What I have to do, just take her and put it on top of this. Okay, you can see automatically it is like she's on top of this text layer. Okay, so this is how you should, yeah, I can do like this. Okay, so this is how you will be able to work with the help of layers in your this thing. Now that I have designed everything, I can, here on the top you can see, of course, your work is getting saved automatically, so you don't need to worry. Now I want to give a name, so I will give session flyer. This is the name I'm giving for my work. Okay, so I have given this name. Okay, this is my work. Okay, I have done this. As I told you, if you want to do animation for any of your this thing, you can do it. Just select the element and you will be able to do all of these things, animations. So basically anything that you want to do with the element, click on that element and see what all you can do in that element. Okay, one more thing I would like to show you. Now that I have created this in English, now I want to this session will happen region wise, means it happens in many states simultaneously in multiple languages, regional languages. So you can see there is an option called translate. So I can click on this translate and I will be able to translate this in any of the language that I want. As you can see, once I click translate, I got here from English to which language? For example, Hindi. Okay, of course, there is not much content here, but still, okay. So Hindi, simultaneously you can translate in many languages. Okay, so you can just write the language Tamil. Okay, select it. Okay, so like that, you can write the languages and you can say duplicate and translate. So once I click duplicate and translate, you can see I will get many pages. Okay, 3 pages I got, one for Hindi and one for Tamil. Okay, as you can see how nicely. So one session happening in different states simultaneously in different multiple regional languages, you will be able to create the brochure or flyer quickly like this. Not only for this, even if you're writing some content, okay, for your classroom purpose, so you can type the content in English and translate it to any language that you want. Okay, now what I'm going to do, as I told, I don't want this, so I'll delete it. And again, I'll select this, I'll delete this. Now I have only one. Double click on this to go and work on this page. As I'll show again, those who missed, you just need to click on translate to translate from one language to any other language you want. Now my what is that? Flyer is ready. Okay, what I can do, I can click on download and you can see I will be able to download in PNG format, JPG format or PDF format. Okay, so that it is giving one more option for PDF also. If I have inserted some animation effects, for example, I made the join the Adobe Express, okay, jumping, flying and all. If I have done some animation, it will show another option called MP4, so that it can be shared as a video as well. Okay, so now there is no animation in my design. It is showing only 4 things. So I can choose whichever format I want and I can download. This is one option, like how I did earlier. Or else, if I want to share, okay, as I told, okay, now that I have done it, I want to share with my colleague, okay, I want to tell her only this much I'm able to do. You add more information like time or insert a QR code and all you do. So I want her to work now. So what I can do, just click on share. Yeah, just give me a second. So you need to click on share and you can share the link with your colleague, or if you are asking your students to do some collaborative work, then you can ask your students also to share their work with their peers and they can work in a collaborative manner. Yeah. So once I click share, you can see what we will see what all we can do. Okay, you can type the email IDs of the people, okay, that you know, so that it will get into their account. As I told in the beginning, they will be able to see it in your stuff, but they have to choose shared with me. So all the designs that are shared with them, they can see from there. So you just need to type in the email, or you can also give the access like this. Anyone with the link or only invited people can access. Now I will click anyone with the link can comment, because I don't want everyone to edit. So I will just give limited access. So I will say anyone with the link can comment. Now I can copy the link. Okay. Suppose you are asking your students to do the work and you can tell anyone with the link can comment. So what they can do, they can copy the link and I'm going to share my work with all of you. You all can comment now. Okay. So I will post it in the chat window. Okay, so I'm sharing the link in the chat window. I would request everyone to click on that link and just write some comment. Click on that link. You will be able to see my design. You will not be able to edit it because while sharing, I gave only anyone with the link can comment. Only that access I gave. And I copied the link. Now I would request everyone to click on that link and just write some comment. You don't need to log in. Okay, you don't need to do anything because I have given the option anyone with the link can comment. Okay, I saw one comment now. Just write good anything, just write something so that you will know. So you can ask your students also to do this way. You can get the links, ask them to share it with their peers. So basically we are collaborating, but not with full access, with limited access. If I have given anyone with the link can edit, then you all can play around with my design, which I don't want. So that's why I gave only can comment. Okay, so I could see few comments. As you can see here, the moment you start commenting, Sunita ma'am has commented. I could see. Okay, I would request everyone to comment. Yeah, I could see. So I will get the notification that somebody has commented in my design. Okay, so where I will be able to see that, you can see here. Okay, who are all viewing also I am able to see. Okay, yeah, this one, comments. No comments yet it is showing. Can somebody add a comment? Are you able to do it? Let me. On the right side, okay, if you are not sure where you can comment, I will show you. Not in the chat window. I want you to comment using the link. I have posted the link in the chat window. Click on that link and you will be able to comment. To go to my Okay, fine. If you're not able to not opening system. Okay, I think you're all trying in the mobile. Can somebody who is using a device, a computer? Okay, Drupali ma'am is able to do. Let me see. Okay, for those who are not able to do, I will show you. So once you click on that link, okay, this is how it will open. Okay, you can see it is only comment only option. Okay, so it means that you can only comment. So I'll click on this comment. Okay, this is for edit. Yeah, click on this comment icon. You should be able to comment. You cannot edit because I didn't give edit action access. So click on this comment icon. You should be able to comment. Yeah, you can see once I clicked on this comment, add a comment. Ah, yeah, okay, I got. See, Jayalakshmi ma'am has written nice. Drupali ma'am, superb. Okay, superb. Very nice. See, I could see that these many people have interacted with my content. Okay, so they are able to, yeah, Drupali ma'am, she just now gave a thumbs up also. Okay, so these many people are able to interact. Now, if I had given edit access, then, okay, if they had also logged into Adobe Express account, then we can work collaboratively. Maybe someone can add something here, okay, at the time, or add some QR code. So we will be able to do lot of these things. Okay, so this is how we can work. Okay, but now I gave only edit access, so you cannot comment option, so you will not be able to do. The best way, if you really want to work in a collaborative manner, means click on share and write their email ID. That is the best way. Write their email ID, then directly it will go to their account and they will be able to see it from your stuff. This folder on the left pane, you can see your stuff. So if they click on your stuff and choose shared with me, okay, then whatever designs are shared with them, they will be able to see. So this is the right way to work in a collaborative manner. Okay. The translate option also I have shown. Okay. Now, yeah, one more feature I would like to show you. Yeah, templates. Yeah, grids. Okay. So let me show you the grid option as well. Okay, I'll add another page. Grid is something that is very interesting. Okay. You can see here, I am the next page. I will use grid. Somebody was asking collage and also you can make use of these grids to create a collage. So I will select a simple one as of now because otherwise it will take a lot of time. So I will go for this one. So I'll just select this. Okay. Now the entire thing is divided into three. So what I can do, I can fill these grids with images or media videos and all. So if you creating some trailer videos and all, what you can do, so you can see here, you can just drag and drop yeah, the videos here, and all the videos will be playing simultaneously. I'll just select this and yeah, and yeah, select this. Okay, so okay, as you can see here, once I start playing, okay, all the three places it is getting played. Okay, so you can also download it as a video. Now I have not chosen the right videos. Okay, maybe I'll make it little big for you to see it. Maybe see, I can move it like this as well, but it is only this much. Okay, fine. Okay, now what I can do, I will play the video. You can see the three videos are playing simultaneously. So if you are actually, there is some event coming up and all, you can do like this. Or if you have uh, 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 some images, then you can choose the grid, whatever you want, and you can fill the grid with the images. So everything you are going to do with just drop and drag and drop. So drag and drop your videos. You can also upload videos from your device. Okay, so that is also possible. You can upload the videos, your own videos, and you can drag and drop the videos, and you can create like so many videos playing together in the collage. So that is also possible. Okay, now like, okay, so one more thing that I would suggest you, like I'll go to your stuff. Okay, I'll go to home page, and okay, as I told you, see, there are so many options available here. So I have just given you the introduction. What are all the things possible? As I told, generative AI, I taught you. And if you are very specific about education purpose, then I would recommend you to go to document, and in that education. So you can just make a note of it. If you are very, very specific about education related templates or educational related designs, then choose document and go to education. Then you will get everything related to educational purpose you will get. So even the worksheets, as I told you, okay, the report card designs, the report card samples, you will be able to get. So everything for educational purpose, you can search from here. Okay, now I would like to go back to my uh, presentation, and I will show you certain things. Yeah. How you can become a Adobe Creative Educator. So that is what I'm going to show you. Yeah. So if you want to know whether it is available as an app, yes, it is available as an app. Some of you must have installed already. Okay. So you can also use it from your mobile. It is available in App Store and Google Play as well. So you can see these are some of the posters designed by my students. So sometimes when we ask students to design something, what happens? They spend so much time in designing the templates or designing the media and all. So in that case, what you can do, you can share a sample template with all your students and ask them to work on the same template. So they just need to edit the content according to their viewpoints or according to their thought process. They will just change the content and the design will be same. So this is one advantage when you ask your students to do some work, because you will be able to get the work from them quickly. Otherwise, after 1 hour also, you will see that they will be still in designing part only without writing the content. So if you have given them the template, this is the template you have to use. Now work, just think what you are going to write. Okay, I am very much interested in your thought process rather than the design. So you can make your students concentrate on their thought process or their views or ideas or their perspectives, and still you will be able to get a very colorful designs from them with the help of Adobe Express. Now, as I told, you can do two level courses, Adobe Creative Educator level 1 and level 2, and you will be able to get certified, and you will be able to get the badges which you can proudly show to your school management and inspire other teachers as well. So how you can do that? These are the links. Okay, I'll post it in the chat window now. Okay, the first one is for level 1 course. So it's a self-paced course. You can sit and learn as per your copy link. Yeah. So the first link is for level 1 course, and the second one is for level 2 course. Please make a note of these links. It would definitely help you. The third one, yeah, I will, I myself will go there and I will show you. So make a note of all these 3 links. Okay, so you can keep a target like this. In the month of May, you are going to sit and complete these 2 courses. Okay, I think it's 3 hours course only. Okay, as you can see here, creativity for all. You just need to click enroll now. Okay, so there are some lessons. Okay, instructors. Okay, not this one. Okay, this is the one about the course. Okay, so you just need to enroll. As you can see, this is a 3 hours course. So during your summer vacation, you can ensure that you can complete the course. And as you can see here, Adobe Creative Educator Level 1 batch. Okay, so when you do this course, in between, you need to do some hands-on activity. Okay, you need to do some designs as per the instructions given in the course, and you need to upload. Okay, and that will be verified, and only then you will be getting the batch. It's not that you just do the course and you will get the batch. No, you need to do some task, upload it. Okay, everything is clearly mentioned in the course. Okay, and then you will be getting the batch and the certificate. So you keep a target like this. In the month of May, I will complete these 2 courses and I will get certified as Adobe Creative Educator. And the next one, okay, this is for professional learning. Now, if you are looking for some teaching resources or how I can use it in the classroom, the third link that I have posted, you can make use of this. How to teach science with Adobe Express. So, teachers, these things will really help you. See, instead of me telling you that okay, you can do this or you can do that, take this 30 minutes course, okay, and it will tell you how you can teach science with Adobe Express. If you are a social science teacher, how to teach social science studies with Adobe Express, again another 30 minutes self-paced course. Okay, in this you will get ideas from the experts themselves how you can use it. So as you go through, since you are master of your subject and you know now Adobe Express, if you read this course for 30 minutes, you will be able to know how you can integrate these two. You have a tool available, you have a subject knowledge. Basically, now you need to integrate these two. So these small courses will help you. You can see teach math with Adobe Express. Again, another 30 minutes self-paced course. So if you spend just 30 minutes, you are going to get lot of ideas. This is about professional learning. So there are also teaching resources available if you want some ready-made resources. Okay, then you can also use these things. On the left side, you can see educational level. Okay, you can choose secondary level or higher education level. Okay, if you are working in college or something, or which subject. Okay, see there are careers, art and design, science and engineering, mathematics, others. Okay, and which product, of course Adobe Express only. Okay, so you can also choose the products. Okay, if you want to know about Photoshop, then you can click on that. Okay, resource time to complete, that also you can choose. Okay, so less than an hour. Okay, in this way you can learn, okay, get ideas, and you can make yourself really upgraded. Okay, so if you keep this as a task for the month of May, then you can do wonders in your classroom with this Adobe Express. And this is about, I hope you all have copied all the 3 links. Okay, now once you have completed the course, this is how you will, I would like to just show the badges to just see. There are also other courses. See, design your creative class. I completed this course, and these badges you will get in your Credly account. So it has more value. Lately, you can also just share the Credly link in your resume and all the badges that you have earned. Okay, so these are all like authentic one because they are giving it in your Credly account, and you can proudly show it in your resume as well. And okay, suppose you also know Canva. Now you must be wondering what is the difference between Canva and Adobe Express. I'm already using Canva. Should I also need to learn this Adobe Express? So if you have that question, then you can understand what is the difference. Of course, both are very good tools. Based on your purpose, okay, based on your requirement, you can go for any of these things. But what are the some of the advantages of Adobe Express that I will show you? As you know, both Canva and Adobe, you can create web-based graphic designs. and you can create stunning visual designs even if you don't have any experience. And both the platforms, you can create a wide range of assets like logos, banners, simple videos, email signatures, YouTube thumbnails and all. They have customizable templates, stock images, which will really make you like help you to design quickly and efficiently. Now, if you see, compare both of them, then Canva prioritizes ease of use, making it ideal for beginners and educators who want quick results, whereas Adobe Express will help you to create professional designs, okay, which will help educators with more advanced design needs. Of course, there are so many templates, so many features available. It will give you that whenever you create something in Adobe Express, you will feel like as if it is designed by us, some professional. And Canva shines in its extensive library of pre-designed templates, whereas Adobe Express offers a more professional approach. Though it lacks number of templates, it provides advanced editing tools like background removal, I showed just now, and also for free can be converted to PDF as well. Okay, so whatever you are designing, it can be converted to PDF, not just an image. You can also export your work in the form of PDF. And that's it from my side. Any doubts, anyone, you can ask me now. Okay, let me go to chat window and see. Thank you. For commerce, ma'am, economics was there, I think, in the link. Subject. Okay, humanities. Okay, ma'am, for commerce, I don't know what exactly will come in commerce because I am from science background. Uh, Ma'am, basically, if you want to have some infographics or if you want to prepare some interesting and creative worksheets, you can create. You can create a rubric using this. As I told, you can go to documents, okay, and choose education. There you will find lot of materials, especially for educational purpose. Okay, there you should be able to see. Basically, we will do many of the things in Word document, ma'am. You just need to shift from Word document to Adobe Express. So instead of creating something from the scratch in a plain white background in Word document, you can make it little more attractive. Or if you are designing your classroom, class boards and all, definitely you can go for this Adobe Express. Whatever I taught now, everything is free. We don't need to go for a paid version. Whatever is available in free version, that itself is enough. What is the difference between e-content? Ma'am, both are same only, ma'am. Electronic content and digital content, that's it. Thank you, Sunita, ma'am. Thank you, Bhaskar, sir.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Session was very good, nice, ma'am. It's informative.
Yes, ma'am.
I am doing my PhD in education only.
Okay.
I have choose my topic related to digital content creation only in commerce. That's why I asked in doubt. We
Okay,
can
ma'am.
create.
Okay.
We can
Yeah.
create digital content in commerce. That's why I'm asking, ma'am, because I am taking that commerce subject into interactive session, ma'am. That's why.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Yeah. You
Because
can,
in
ma'am. You can.
the commerce was a theoretical subject only. We real life examples only for that.
Actually, it is a very dry subject, ma'am. So you can make
Yes,
it more interesting for your students using by creating these designs.
yes,
And
ma'am.
also,
That's
once
why
you
I
make
have
it,
some doubts
you can
because
use it for years.
yes, ma'am. Because some they have in done in multimedia and ICT only they have done. But I thought content
Oh,
creation is
okay.
very good informative session for students also.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, agree.
Actually, that for that purpose only I have
Okay,
joined.
thank you,
When
ma'am.
I saw that, I am very eager to listen your class, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Hope you find it interesting and useful for you.
Yes, ma'am. Because already I have working in Canva, ma'am. It's very nice app to create PowerPoint presentations.
Okay, yes,
I have
yeah.
already done, but in Adobe Express I have done in, for background remover. That I have done for that.
Okay, okay,
Because
okay. Now
in
you won't
Canva
start with
it's a
background removal,
premium pack,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. No, what
In
I'm telling now, you don't need to stop with background removal. You can go do everything here itself.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Because I like to work on that because I am interested in designing.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, nice to know, ma'am.
Thank you so much for your very good informative session, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for your feedback. And Archana, ma'am, are these courses free or paid ones? Ma'am, they are completely free, totally free, and you can do at your own pace as well. So there is no hurry. Like if you're able to spend only 15 minutes in a day, just complete 15 minutes and log out. The next day, again, you can start from where you left. Okay, so it's free. That's why I'm insisting. See, it's something available for free, and you just need to spend just 3 hours and another 3 hours, and totally 6 hours. You can proudly tell that you are a like Adobe certified creative educator.
Ma'am,
Hello.
sorry to disturb you. I have another doubt.
Yes, ma'am.
Here they're having any online quizzes conducted, ma'am, for
No,
conducting quizzes.
no, ma'am, not for conducting quizzes, but you can make use of this to create worksheets.
Oh, only worksheet, ma'am. Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is the solution for this message that is coming? Something is missing. Your system is not supported.
Sir, actually, I think this is okay. Okay, not okay. This message you had got, sir.
Yes, ma'am. When I was clicking on the link you have shared na, for
Uh-huh.
commenting, then this, and I am doing on laptop. I think it is latest version.
Okay, okay, okay. Learn more about system. Okay, something is blocking, sir. Something is missing. Your system is not supported. Uh,
And
so
otherwise
you have
the
which this thing you are using, sir? Which browser are you using, sir?
Chrome, ma'am. Chrome, it is Chrome browser. And
Okay,
the this is open. This login is happening and design is being made. But when I clicked on the link you have given, then it is showing that system does not support this.
okay. So it's but you are able to log in and work in Adobe Express, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, I think then we need not worry. Maybe your browser is updated, sir. It's updated one, right?
Yes, ma'am. I am using Canva also on this. I will
Okay,
work a lot on Canva.
okay. Um, sir, I think you can leave it. I don't know why. Maybe
Yeah,
some
yeah.
firewall or something preventing to like access
Okay.
some random links. That could also be the reason.
Yes, maybe it will.
From because of your safety and security settings also would could prevent you from accessing.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And ma'am, what are the courses? Can you again repeat where can I find these courses when I have login?
Sir, I have shared the link in the chat window. You want me to share the links again?
Yes, ma'am. I have
Yeah.
skipped that.
Yeah. Okay, sir. I will share the links again. I'm posting the links again, sir.
Yes, ma'am, I have received. Thank
Yeah,
you.
okay.
So it is on edX.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Anyone, any doubts? You can ask me now. Please don't forget to fill your feedback form. Okay, ma'am. If they fill the feedback form, they can leave right now, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. They can leave.
Okay, thank you so much, teachers. Once you have filled the feedback form, you can leave and you can join for tomorrow's session.
Ma'am, thank you so much. We
Yeah,
extend
thank you, ma'am.
gratitude for sharing your expertise and insights with us during our workshop. Your patience and knowledge have truly
Thank
enriched
you.
our learning experiences. We are grateful for the valuable lessons and practical strategies you have provided, which we will undoubtedly apply in our professional and personal endeavors. We feel privileged to have had the opportunity to learn from you. Your enthusiasm and commitment have left a lasting impression on all of us. Thank you once again for your invaluable contribution to our workshop. We look forward to staying connected and continuing to learn from your expertise tomorrow and in future also. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thanks to all the participants as well.
Thank you, ma'am. Tomorrow we can meet at the same time
Yeah,
for this
sure.
second day program. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, one and all.
So those who have filled the feedback can leave the session. Your certificate will reach you this weekend, okay, to your mail. Your certificates will reach to your mail this weekend. Someone was asking.
अरे आ रहा हूँ यार।